I'm Abby. I'm here at Kippert's Trailer Sales today to show you this brand new 4-star. This is a runabout model. This is the straight load 2-horse. This trailer has your tack room on your driver's side because it has some really cool features in the horse area that I'll show you here in a minute. This tack room has a 2-place saddle rack with lots of bridle hooks, a blanket bar. You have an escape door on your driver's side with a drop-down window. This trailer has aluminum wheels. And let's go ahead and go to the back and I'll show you what's inside. This is the horse area of this 2-horse straight load. This trailer is 7.5 tall. This divider and everything in here is removable, but this divider can roll over out of the way so you don't have to take it out. It can just push over here. Whoops. Super simple. Just push it out of your way. So you can make it a single stall if you want to haul a mare in full in here. But you got really nice butt bars on each side and a butt bar that goes across both horses. Nice big ramp. Up front here, you can walk out of this trailer. You can lead your horses straight out if you want to, out this side ramp, or you do have an escape door if you want to come in here, tie up, untie, feed your horses. It's got really nice feed bags with the rubber floor mats in here, aluminum floor. This trailer is all aluminum. All right, this is the passenger side of your trailer, just showing you this easy lift side ramp that you can unload your horses out of. You can also leave this door open while traveling to get extra airflow in here, but this ramp is super easy, super lightweight. This is your 4-star runabout 2-horse straight load. We have this here at Kippert's Trailer Sales in Olympia, Washington. Come by and see us.